think the biggest challenge is the education, which is one of the things I'm really grateful with Noria to help us get educated across our company. So there's a lot more to it than this is oil, this is grease. The education around contamination, water is our biggest issue. As a food and beverage company, we do a lot of water wash down. So control contamination and just educating people on the proper usage, storage, and handling, cleanliness of lubricants is, I think, the biggest opportunity.
This training has been very helpful to get us on the right path and set targets, set actions, and measure it. I have experience in the nuclear propulsion program where I used to train the next generation of sailors. It's a very well thought out course, starting with base theory and then building from that, working on operations and really taking that theory and helping us reach reality and actionable items.
Each individual people in the class talk about their different issues, and that helps others build upon what they're doing in their plants.
For me, when I came in here, I actually thought I knew a little something about lubricants and oils and greases. And after the first class, I realized that I don't know as much as I thought. So yeah, you take a lot away from this. The aspect is you come in as a maintenance man, but you leave with the education of an engineer and a chemist.
One of the things I really like about Noria is it's not a sales pitch. The company sells education, sells knowledge, which is exactly what we need. And that's a refreshing thing to not feel like there's a bunch of pressure on using this lubricant, this filter, whatever. It's just all about knowledge and making us better. So I really appreciate that. You know, it's kind of that business model from Noria that I really like.